Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to maximize Lendingclub with side hustle income. So it's going to be a quick video. I just got 4 simple steps for you guys, and hopefully it's going to help you to maximize Lendingclub with side hustle income. Step number 1, open the Lendingclub mobile app and go to account settings. Copy your routing and account number. Provide these details to freelance platforms, delivery apps, or clients so that payments go directly into your Lendingclub checking accounts. Step 2, separate taxes right away. Now in the app, you're going to tap transfer money and then set a recurring rule to move 20 to 30% of each deposit into a dedicated savings account. You can label that account as taxes so that you don't touch it. Step 3 is to track business expenses. Use your Lendingclub debit card for all your side hustle costs, that's gas, supplies, or softwares. In Insights, tag these transactions under a custom category called side hustle. The final step is to pay yourself. Now, each month, move a set portion of your side hustle income into your personal spendings, while of course keeping the rest for savings or reinvestments. By automating deposits, tax savings, and expense tracking, Lendingclub becomes a powerful tool to grow and manage side hustle earnings. But that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.